Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science. Today we'll understand the terminology of network, which are as follow. The first one thing we'll cover today, the workstation and node. Second one thing, we'll understand what is server. Third one thing, network interface unit, that is NIU. IP address, that is internet protocol. Okay, domain name, uniform resource locator. So let's begin, student. So nodes, a workstation. Sometimes it is also known as workstation. The term of nodes refer the computer that are attached to a network, okay, that are seeking to share resources. It means to say, student, whenever any devices, okay, which can access the internet or access the resources or provide resources, okay, maybe a server also or maybe a computer also, okay, termed as node. Sometime it is also known as workstation. Second one thing we will learn, server, a computer that facilitates the sending data or sharing the data, software, hardware, resources on network. So server is usually a powerful computer as compared to the other computers which are termed as nodes, okay, or workstations, which is very powerful. Their hardware, RAM, memory, processor, everything will be definitely most powerful as compared to the other computer which are connected with the internet or its network. So it provides the facilities, that's why it is named as server, because it serves something, okay. So it sharing of data, okay, it facilitates the sharing of data. That means to say, suppose that you can take the example of Google, okay. Google is also one of the server, okay, in which it provides us the data in the form of our search string and resultant string. Software, only hardware is not only responsible to make a server, it requires the powerful software also, like Windows 2008 server, Windows 2005, Windows NT, like this one thing. So these are what thing, operating system name, which provides the facility to create or install a server, okay. If you are supposing that one thing, we are installing that software in our normal computer, will it be a server? It is not probably say that the computer will be termed act as server, but it will not server, because server should have higher configuration and their hardware, okay. So server is facilitate us to sharing data, software, like it will allow you to play the game also, play the software also, and hardware resources of the network, okay. Next one thing, network interface card, that is NIU. So network interface card, actually a network interface card, okay, or network interface unit, okay, you can say that network interface unit is a interpreter, okay, that help establishing the communication between the server and the client. Actually, student, it is a unit, okay, particular unit which help us to establishing the communication between the server and the client. Server, you know what is powerful computer, and client means those computer which are seeking for any resources like nodes or workstation. Now we are going to understand IP address. IP address, every machine on a TCP IP network, that means to say transmission control protocol or internet protocol, it is also termed as a protocol, okay. So every machine on a TCP IP network has a unique identifier number called IP address. For example, every person has unique name, okay, might be, we can say that his or her father name we can identify uniquely, okay, by their fingerprint, okay. So we can consider an example, student, every person can have, I'm to say have, okay, unique what thing, fingerprint as ID. Same way in a network, no two computers can have same IP address. So IP address actually a special numerical identification address which provides by the TCP IP networks component, that is DNS, that's domain name system, okay. And now we are going to understand what is domain name. It is a way to identify and locate the computer, okay, connected on the internet. It must be unique, okay. Still, So domain name, actually it is also termed as DNS, domain naming system. Okay, actually it is a method, okay, to identify and locate the computer connected to the internet. Okay, and it should be definitely unique. And now we are talking about URL. URL stands Uniform Resource Locator. It stands for Uniform Resource Locator. A URL is the address of a specific web page or file on the internet. You can consider, student, suppose that if you have created a HTML file or program, okay, you will definitely store in a particular internet server. So you should have a particular website, I am to say, you will save inside a particular server, but that particular file or program definitely have the address. For example, in our local computer, if we are storing our data in under D drive, maybe inside D drive a folder, in subfolder A, B, C, whatever. So such type of address is not going to be passed through the internet. Okay, to prevent that, okay, for security threat or security purpose, DNS provides us IP address and URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. So the Uniform Resource Locator is a special type of address, okay, which in the form of website address, which contain, okay, the following phenomena, I am to say example or structure. First one thing is schema, then I am to say protocol, okay, then a schema, then website name, then extension. Okay, so here http://techterms.com. okay, or for example another one thing, http://techterms.com/definition. you can see definition is another folder, and /URL, the following information. Okay, so this is the URL is prefix, okay, which is specify the protocol, access the location.